Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your Gmail is not working problem. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you need to go on your Play Store and go to search bar and type for Gmail, and after open your Gmail you need to check out your Gmail is updated or not. If your Gmail is not updated, make sure your Gmail is updated. So after update your Gmail, then what should you do? You just need to go on your phone settings, and now you need to find out apps or apps management option. So there you can see this is apps, open on it. Now go manage apps. Now go search bar and type Gmail. So there you can see this is Gmail, open on it. Now at the bottom right side there have a option clear data, select it. Now select clear cache. Now OK. After doing all, you need to open your Gmail, and I hope your Gmail is working perfectly. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.